Welcome to Sago Street. This street was once known as the Street of the Dead. During the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Sago Street was lined with death houses, places where the elderly and terminally ill, often poor Chinese immigrants, would come to spend their final days. Many of these men had left their families behind in China and had no one to care for them in their last moments. These death houses weren't hospitals or care centers. They were places to die. Here, residents prepared for death, surrounded by the scent of incense and the whispers of funeral prayers. Coffins were often prepared in advance, waiting for the inevitable. Funeral rites were a daily part of life here. The dead were honored with traditional Chinese customs, ensuring their souls could rest peacefully. But to outsiders, Sago Street was a place of eerie calm, where death was more common than life. Today, Sago Street has transformed. The death houses are long gone, shut down in the 1960s as part of Singapore's modernization. Now, it's a lively part of Chinatown, full of color, food, and history. The shops here now offer a range of Singaporean food and desserts and sell antiques, traditional Chinese medicine, herbal remedies, and handicrafts. If you're visiting during Chinese New Year or other local festivals, Sago Street and the surrounding Chinatown area come alive with lanterns, parades, lion dances, and night markets, providing a festive and captivating atmosphere. Sago Street is a place where Singapore's rich, multifaceted history comes to life, and it's a must-visit for anyone looking to understand the cultural diversity and intriguing past of Chinatown. This building is the Chinatown Complex. It is Singapore's largest hawker center, offering over 260 food stalls with a wide variety of affordable and authentic local dishes, including the famous Michelin-starred Liao Fan soya sauce chicken rice. Beneath the food court is a bustling wet market where locals shop for fresh produce and traditional ingredients, providing an authentic glimpse into daily life. While exploring Sago Street, take the time to visit the nearby Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, an impressive modern Buddhist temple that also houses a museum. This provides a deeper understanding of Singapore's cultural and spiritual life, which is a meaningful experience for many tourists.